Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Milton S-506 tire pressure gauge. Before I get started, I'd like to ask that you please like and subscribe to this video and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. With that being said, let's get started. I know what you're thinking. I'm crazy spending $40 on an Air Chuck. But you know what? It's worth it in my mind. I've went out and purchased the smaller $20 chucks and they never last. One thing you learn as you get older doing DIY is quality tools pay. And boy oh boy, this definitely matches that. It's high quality cast aluminum. It's very substantial when you hold it. Even the neck on it is made out of solid brass. It's really worth it. Another selling point of this chuck to me is that we've had the same model for 15 years at my job and we beat the heck out of everything we use. If it could last there, it could definitely last in my shop. When you combine this with the fact that it's made in the USA and that Milton is known for the highest quality air tool equipment, it's a no-brainer. You have to get this tool. The quality of the casting is second to none, and the operation is as smooth as butter. They even put the screen in there to reduce water buildup. It has a solid brass tip, and the air valve is very easy to depress. We're now going to get this brass nipple that I purchased for $2 from my local hardware store. I'm going to wrap it in some Teflon tape. If you guys are looking for a really good brand of Teflon tape, I found this stuff called Blue Monster, and it's amazing. I'll put a link to it in the comments below. All we got to do is just hand tighten everything down, and then snug it up with a 5/8 inch wrench. We're going to give this a quick shot with air in the line. I already tested the back here with a little bit of soap water just to make sure there's no air leaks. We're good to go. I took the cap off the valve stem of the tire and we're going to give it a shot. We're going to look right here at our indicator to see what our pressure is. It's actually a floating one in liquid, so it's really responsive. All right, we're at 35 pounds, so we're going to throw a little extra air in this tire. All right, right where we need to be. Using this to fill the tire was very easy. The motion is very quick and simple, and the hose is nice and long, very flexible, so I could get into weird positions if I ever had to on my vehicle. Thanks for watching today's video. Before you go, feel free to like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. Got a lot of great content like this, and I love sharing it with you. Also, let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. Do you like Milton? Do you like other brands? Do you have other Milton equipment that you like or you think I should review? Let me know. Have a great day.